I thought I heard somebody outside, and that made my heart drop a little bit. There was literally nobody on the roads. So that's a street right there, and there's no cars passing by. So I'm the only one here by myself. All right, it's almost midnight, and I just got unloaded. And the thing is, I need to find a place to park at and rest for the night. The weather is really bad tonight, and it's supposed to snow all night. So let's see if I find a place to park at, because there's no way I'm finding any parking at any truck stop at this time of the night. So first, let's go close those doors. All right, let's release the tractor brake, trailer brake, and let's leave this facility because they're not gonna let me sleep here tonight. So I need to find a place to park at. Hopefully, there's many warehouses here. Hopefully I find one that allows drivers to park up. There's literally nobody on the road. I don't see any car, any person, literally nothing. I'm the only one here. The weather is really bad, and I got nowhere to park and rest for the night. So hopefully I do find something soon. All right, I just found this spot to park at. The snow started falling really heavily, and my truck is already filled. The ground is already so slippery, so I'm glad I found a spot. So the plan is to get back in the truck and make me something to eat. I'm hungry, and also try to get some sleep, man. It's crazy, just in the last like 2 minutes, look how much snow started falling. So, and I'm the only one here. The thing is, I don't know how I feel about sleeping here. Usually what I like to do is at least have 1 or 2 trucks next to me, so I feel safe. But right now I'm the only one here. But I found this place because it's well lit up, which makes it a little safer. But the thing is, there was literally nobody on the roads. So that's a street right there, and there's no cars passing by. So I'm the only one here by myself. Hopefully it's safe. Oh, I seen 1 car. But yeah, the weather is getting really, really bad. Look, I don't know if you guys are able to see. Look at all this snow. Alright, I'm freezing, and I'm tired, and I'm hungry. So let's get in the truck. If you guys are new to the channel, hit the subscribe button and continue watching. Lock both of these doors. And one thing I like to do, so if you're not in the trucking industry, I got these seat belts. Put them here. And if somebody does break my window, and if they try to open the door, there's no way they're not going to be able to. I got this thing fully locked down, and I'm going to do the same thing to this side. Alright, got both of these sides fully locked down. Man, I don't know how I feel sleeping out here, but I like to leave one side a little bit open because I want to have at least some type of view of what's going on the outside, and I don't want to be completely blind to the outside world. So hopefully until the morning nothing is going on, and I get to wake up and just go to my next pickup. But until then, let's get back there. let's play some GTA. And the thing is, recently I've been really into old school games, and especially with GTA 6 coming out this year, I've been really into GTA 4. So I just started playing this a couple days ago, and right now, time to game. I thought I heard somebody outside, and that made my heart drop a little bit. But the thing is, I think it's the wind, because the weather is a little bad tonight. But for a second, I thought it was somebody literally outside. Oh, I'm gonna die. I'm about to die. I'm about to die. No, 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 no. Oh my God. I'm still only at 4 stars after doing all this. Oh my God, I'm about, oh no. My dream to get 6 stars is not gonna be fulfilled, but I am feeling a little hungry right now, because the thing is, I can play this all day, all night, and the time will just literally fly by. So first, before I continue playing, I'm gonna give me something to eat. Feeling hungry, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna pause here and make me something to eat. All right, let's turn it on, and I'm gonna hit chicken, preheat for 4 minutes, and wait for this thing to preheat while I get me something to drink. All right, the preheat is done. So what I'm gonna do is, what I feel like eating today is chicken wings, and I already have it marinated, seasoning on there. So let's put it in the air fryer. All right, I'm gonna cook 11 chicken wings at 220 temperature. No, 250 for 20 minutes. That should be good. And then after that, I'm gonna flip them, then cook for like a couple more minutes. All right, cleaned the table, and those chicken wings were pretty good. Not gonna lie. And what I gotta do is I gotta put this plate in the dirty pile. So I bring usually like 3 or 4 plates with me, and I did clean it up a little bit. But when I go home, I'll clean it up thoroughly. But other than that, pretty much done for tonight. But sit down, play a little bit more games. I know you guys probably thinking, man, are you supposed to be driving trucks or are you supposed to be playing games? But I try to get the best of both worlds. So the plan now is I'm gonna clean the air fryer in the morning because I'm not trying to go outside. But I'm gonna play a little bit more GTA and then pretty much call it a night because right now the time is it is almost 1:30 a.m. and I gotta wake up at 11:30, which is my next pickup tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm gonna try to play just for like an hour more, and then head to bed. I need to put more cheat codes because right now I only have, let's see, I only have three. So one is for health, no, sports car. So let's get that. All right, guys. As I'm sitting here playing GTA, I'm pretty much gonna be done for the night because it's already been about 30 minutes I've been playing, and I am feeling a little tired. So I know a lot of people in my videos do ask me what's my night routine and what do I do when I drop off loads. Where do I sleep? What do I eat? And what do I do in my truck? So that's basically this is what I do. I know a lot of people were curious, and I thought, let me make one video for you guys showing what I do. And give me 1 second. Almost got 5 stars, and yep, escaped from the police with 5 stars, man. I'm a legend. But other than that, yeah, that's pretty much what I do. Sometimes I like playing Call of Duty, GTA 5, GTA 4. I don't have Starlink, which I do plan on getting soon, so I can start playing online. What I want to do is I want to play Warzone. I want to play a little bit of GTA Online. And I know GTA 6 is also coming out. That's what I want to do too. But other than that, that's pretty much my night routine. I'm gonna quit because if I keep playing, then the time is gonna keep going by, and tomorrow I'm gonna have a tough time picking up a load because I'm gonna be tired. So let me turn this off. This is an addiction. So if you are a truck driver, just be careful having video games in your truck because you do get addicted. And if you guys did like this video, hit the subscribe button, like the video, and watch some of our other videos on my channel. I'm going to get some rest, and I'll see you guys in the next video.